Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how you unlock new spells in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. If you're wondering why your hero's spellbooks are empty, then you'll definitely need to watch this video. Whatever faction you're gonna play, you'll have this second icon above the hourglass that looks like a round seal, with some numbers called the Magic Observatory. Click that and you'll find lots of spells with different categories and tiers. If ever they are grayed out on your screen, then that means you must build the Mage Guild on any of your towns first. The first Mage Guild unlocks the Tier 1 spells in the Magic Observatory. The Mage Guild Level 2 unlocks Tier 2 spells, and so on. Once you've built them, go back to the Magic Observatory and choose the spell you want to unlock or upgrade. Unlocking or upgrading a spell would cost you gems, crystals, mercury, or alchemical dust. So make sure to collect them and have some ready. When you've got enough resources, unlock or upgrade your desired spell. Now here's the key part. The spells won't go straight to your hero's spellbook scattered across the map. You need to make the heroes return to the city where you have built your mage guild for them to write down the spells on their spellbooks. So make sure to remember this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.